Did you know that one warrior's death in 1063 could have changed the entire world? Rodrigo Diaz, known as El Cid, was Spain's greatest hero. But what if he died in his very first battle instead of becoming a legend? Without El Cid's victories, the Christian kingdoms of Spain would never have united. The Muslim states would have stayed strong and divided. Spain would have remained a land of endless small wars. This means no Spanish Empire, no Columbus sailing west, no conquistadors crossing the ocean. But here's where it gets wild. The Aztec and Inca empires would have survived and grown stronger. They might have built their own great ships and sailed east across the Atlantic. Imagine Aztec warriors landing on European shores. Picture Inca gold funding expeditions fit to conquer a weak, divided continent. Instead of Europeans colonizing America, it could have been Americans colonizing Europe, all because one Spanish knight fell in battle 900 years ago. Sometimes history hangs on the edge of a single sword.